25 here, bringing you another episode. In today's episode, we have a technical analysis on our basic attention token, currently down about 2% for the day, sitting at 21 cents. But we're looking at the BTC value, folks, down about 2% for the day as well, sitting at 3,551 Satoshis. But really quick though, folks, before we do that, let's go ahead and run through the market. Market cap is sitting at 244 billion. Today's volume is 10.3 billion. Bitcoin dominance sitting at 42.5%. BTC down almost 1% for the day, folks, still slightly above 6,000. Ethereum up 0.25%, sitting at 433. Ripple down almost 2%, sitting at 45 cents. Bitcoin Cash down 1.5% as well, slightly below 700. EOS back below $8, down 0.5% as well. Litecoin down almost 1. Lumen's up about 1.5%. Big winners today: Mithril up 35, Digibyte up about 15, and Ethos up about 9. Big losers: Monaka down about 6, Bitbox down about 6 as well, and Dentacoin almost down 5. But you folks came here for some basic attention token. Market cap is sitting at 216 million. Today's volume is 1.6 million. Circulating supply 1 billion. Total supply 1.5 billion. Major exchanges here: LA Token, Binance, Liquid, KOEX, Bittrex, Huobi, Binance again, Etfinex, Bittrex once more, Bancor, Gate.io, Upbit, IDEX, Livecoin, and Robinhood. So they got a couple of major exchanges there. First things first, BTC to USD on the daily, folks. Not much has changed. Still in this nice little aggressive downtrend we got going on. Still leaning towards that drop towards about 5,000 and the bounce towards the upside. We got a nice little push to about 5,700. Since then, we've kind of been remaining above 6,000. However, we did get that bearish engulfing here a couple of days ago. So I am expecting the drop towards the downside. Momentum slowly starting to shift towards the downside. What is the 4-hour showing us? 4-hour showing us a lot of inconsistency. So formed a lower high here, folks. So I'm still expecting us to actually come down to about 5,900 and find support here. This is my last level of support. If we don't hold at this level, expecting us to fall to 5,000. Just my personal opinion, though. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Ethereum to USD, nice little aggressive downtrend we got going on as well. Expecting us to fall down to about 350 bare minimum. That I'm not expecting us to actually hold at this level, folks, to be honest. I'm actually expecting us to hold more towards around 250. Since, there's not really any clear signs of this downtrend slowing down. This is my next level of support. Waiting for that drop on Ethereum to 250. Currently sitting at 436, so that is kind of a nice little drop. Switch it over to Litecoin USD. Nice little descending wedge we got going on here on the daily. Beautiful price action. Price did come as low as about $75. That was my first target. However, I am now leaning towards a drop towards about $65. So we still have about $10 to go. However, if we get that breaking close, folks, on Litecoin above $80, I do believe Litecoin will go from $80 up to about $95, $96. Just my personal opinion. Nice little short-term play if you want it. Momentum has definitely started to shift towards the upside, as you can see on the daily. Litecoin getting pretty close here to our breakout support, which is about $50. So don't be surprised if we do come down to that level. What is the weekly showing us on Litecoin, however? Litecoin on the weekly is showing us a potential drop, towards about $55. So don't be surprised, folks. Don't buy just yet. Wait for that weekly confirmation, because this bear market is just lasting a lot longer than we expected. Just be patient, sit on your hands, do your research, make sure you guys are doing your own analysis as well. Don't just listen to a bunch of YouTubers. Who are we? But I'm waiting for that drop towards about $55. Just play it safe. But you folks came here for some BAT to BTC. We're looking at the weekly here. Bittrex is the broker. Formed a lower high. We couldn't beat this high. Looks like we formed another lower high. We couldn't beat this high. So I'm actually expecting BAT to fall from about 3,600 all the way down to about 2,200. And what that's going to be doing, folks, is that should be leaving us with a nice little double bottom. Bottom 1, bottom 2. But some of you may have noticed we are currently testing our uptrend. Bounce 1, bounce 2, bounce 3. However, I do not think we're going to be holding at this level. Momentum has shifted towards the downside. Switch it over to the smaller time frames. We can see no clear signs of support at this level. So I'm leaning towards that drop, towards about 2,200 Satoshis. Momentum on the daily definitely shifted towards the downside. So wait for the drop down to 2,200. However, I'm looking for a daily reversal at this level, folks. 2,200. If we do not get a daily reversal at this level, we expect it to fall down to about 1,200. However, I do not expect us to fall down to this level. But again, just my personal opinion. Not a financial advisor. You guys already know. Wait for the drop towards 2,200 is the most likely what's going to be happening. But again, like I just said, I know I say this a lot, just my personal opinion, not a financial advisor. But I'm not trying to get myself in any trouble. Just saying. But that's pretty much it for today's video. Actually, where do I see this coin going in 2018? So this coin, I think, easily coming up to about 13,000 Satoshis towards the end of 2018. Just my personal opinion, not a financial advisor. But that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. Don't forget to re-steam, upvote. Keep commenting down below what kind of coins you guys are trying to see. Thank you guys so much for your support. If you guys are on YouTube, make sure you guys are subscribed, have post notifications turned on, and you give this video a big thumbs up. Or a thumbs down if you're one of those. I love you guys too. Other than that, guys, thanks for watching. Take it easy. Peace.